Gujarat government becomes the first state to implement the 10% reservation for economically weaker section in the general category starting today. With President Ramnath Kovind's assent to the bill on Saturday, the bill is now a law. In a tweet, the Chief Minister said, happy to state that the government of Gujarat has decided to implement the 10% EWS reservation benefits from the 14th of January 2019. It will be implemented in the ongoing recruitment process to wherein there is only advertisement published, but the first stage of examination is yet to be held. Shortly after that, the Gujarat Public Service Commission would postpone all the preliminary examinations to be held on the 20th of January. So if you're also one of those who are planning to sit in for that examination on the 20th, it now stands postponed, keeping the quota in light. In fact, we have just got a soundbite from the Chief Minister. Let's listen to that.
कल हमने एक निर्णय लिया है कि अब गुजरात में जितनी सरकारी नौकरियों में भर्ती होगी उसमें 10% रिजर्वेशन फॉर नॉन रिजर्वेशन क्लास, उसको 10% उनको अनामत मिलेगी। कल से ही हमने उसका निर्णय कर लिया है। आज से अमलवारी शुरू हुई है। गुजरात पहला स्टेट होगा कि जिन्होंने इतनी फास्ट डिसीजन लिया है।
सर, जो फॉर्म भर चुके हैं उनके बारे में क्या, उसका क्या होगा?
फॉर्म हमने डिसीजन ऐसा लिया है कि एग्जाम की प्रक्रिया, यानी कि प्री एग्जाम, रिटर्न एग्जाम, कोई ओरल एग्जाम, ये सब पुराने नियमों से होगा, लेकिन सिर्फ एडवर्टाइजमेंट की है और लोगों ने सिर्फ अप्लाई किया है। वो दोबारा एडवर्टाइजमेंट होगी, दोबारा अप्लाई करेंगे और उसमें 10% रिजर्वेशन उनको भी मिलेगा।
Important clarification there coming in from the Chief Minister. Ishika Seal joining us from Ahmedabad at the moment. Ishika, the Chief Minister is very clear. 82 days before election, he wants to ensure that even the upcoming examination, which just a couple of days from now stand postponed, and they will now be held under the new quota, which includes the 10% reservation for EWS. Is that right?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, this public service announcement was made yesterday by the Gujarat Public Service Commission. What they are saying is that any and every job that is in its advertisement stage right now of recruitment, the EWS quota will be applying to them from here on and starting today. Of course, this decision has received much criticism from the Congress in terms of the hasty implementation of the decision, especially on the day of Makar Sankranti, which in Gujarat is a very, very big festival day. So the city is not working today. It is a day of festival, and today thus there's a lot of criticism that has come in. So let's also look at what people have to say about this decision. Sir, can you tell us whether you think that this is a step in the right direction?
I definitely do not, because we need to understand that the purpose of a reservation is not primarily financial but more societal and corporate in nature. Because when you go on to reduce reservations to one single linear disadvantage of finance and the ability to earn income, you are expanding the scope of reservation to a place to a scope where there already exists societal privilege, and the purpose of reservation was to move generations towards moving past oppression and societal grievances. So at the end of the day, the purpose of reservation in a country has not been primarily economical but societal upliftment. But when this government has moved towards reserving based on income, and that in itself is expanding the scope of reservations, but at the same time reducing the very essence of what it is trying to achieve in a country.
Right. Sir, आप बताइए, इलेक्शंस आ रहे हैं, इसी वक्त पे ये रिजर्वेशन का जो मामला है वो वापस उठा है, आपको इसके बारे में क्या कहना है?
देखो, ये चीजें तो जब भी इलेक्शन आता है कुछ ना कुछ होती है और हर पार्टी अपने ढंग से इन चीजों को लाती है। बाकी मेन चीज ये है कि रिजर्वेशन बिल्कुल एक फ्लॉप शो है। जब से आज़ादी मिली है वहां से आज तक, और रियल में जिसको फायदा मिलना चाहिए उनको कभी मिला नहीं, जिसको नहीं मिलना चाहिए उन्होंने इसका बहुत ज्यादा मिसयूज किया है। अब सबसे बड़ी चीज है, अगर रिजर्वेशन ही रखना है तो सबसे बड़ा अगर दबा हुआ वर्ग आज तक भी अगर इंडिया में है तो वो लेडीज साइड का है। तो लेडीज साइड को अगर देना है तो 50% टोटली रिजर्वेशन लेडीज साइड को दे दो। हर घर को अपने आप ऑटोमेटिकली रिजर्वेशन मिल जाएगा और सबका काम हो जाएगा।